Hello and welcome to Makers of All, Master of None, and today we have our yearly Valentine's gift, which is the LEGO Botanicals Plum Blossom. 327 pieces, that's what an actual plum blossom looks like, and that's the plum blossom that it's supposed to replicate. Not like the most realistic comparison, but hey. Let's have a look, shall we? The instructions, as usual. Back one, then back two, and back three. It's a little bit small. Right, I don't think there's much I need to say on this. This is just a normal LEGO build, so we'll just kind of get straight into it. Quite a nice little picture of a ink drawing. We have the bamboo last year, so we might get the orchard and the chrysanthemum at some point. We might not. It's a gift, so who knows. Let's give this a go and start building, shall we? First part, as usual, is just splitting out the parts. We're starting off with the pot plant, the vase. That's the first page. And now this is the second page. Cool, I think we'll put this to the side for now. This is kind of like an intermediary step. And then we have more gold pieces here. Don't do that. So now we have a circle around disc. So added a blue ring here. And then that just goes on here. So now we have 1, 2. Now we finish off this side here, and then this gives us the kind of central bulk of the pot, which we then place here. Good. And then that goes on through that hole. So that's our first layer, and then our second layer. Nice, so this is our first part. So we are now on to bag number 2. This is going to be a very quick build. We're going to do with a branch, so this is what it looks like right now. I'm kind of just going with whatever I think looks good right now. I don't actually know. So mine's more of a question mark at the moment. So here's the hook. They give you a 1-to-1 so you can check that you've done the right thing. I'm not going to bother too much if it's wrong, because as they say, you can change it to whatever you want it to look like. So I'm just going to leave it what it is for now. Creativity, as they say. And now we have some tiny branches. So that's the difference. We now have fill in the holes a little bit. And then we can add some flowers. Random places, kind of. This is what it looks like now. So we just tap it on. So we need these, and they go on top of these ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they have these little flowers in them. I don't think it matters like where it is. We're just gonna put them on randomly. This is what it looks like now. Oh, and then we have something different. Here's this one. That just goes stabby here. And then come the buds. There's a few of these ones. Yeah, they kind of just like And then we move on to the main flower bit. So we need to build 3 of these. I'm going to put them on here. So all of these are going to just go to make one little flower. Reminds me of a blade or something. Still again. Whee. And this one's the other direction. So I didn't do them the same. Not sure what I think about this. I think it looks better than in the picture, but I wouldn't say it's my favorite way to make a flower. And then these just go on. So here, just before we put them on, this is what it looks like. We'll just put them on the ones that don't have petals. 1, oops, don't fall off. 2, 3. So I don't think the flower should be there. This slightly makes more sense, I think. And then onto the final bag, which is bag 3, which is a small bag. I didn't even count this one. More stems to build. So we have a triangular piece-ish shape. This is what it looks like. Fill in the holes as we have done. And again with the ends, just need to snip them. Well, not snip them, but cap them off. So that's that part. So this one has a end tip, and then these sprout off, and then two flowers each. There it is. Must be quite hard to tell now on camera. And then you go here. This is what it looks like at the moment. And then we need 2 of these. So this is what the flower looks like. Back and then from the front, and then I think these just stick onto these bits. Just dump all the bits in there. I don't know why they keep doing this, because you just lose them. Also, I'm not sure why they went for blue vase instead. Like normally these are in white vases. But enough of that, let's have a look at the final results. I've had fun with this little build, and I'm looking forward to whatever my next LEGO build is going to be, hoping that it is going to be as fun. That's it for today then. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and as always there is more content on my channel, and I'll see you on the next video on Makers of 4, Master of None. Bye!